everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredibly important accessory for many HP printer owners, the Burflo 30V 333mA AC adapter. This isn't just any power brick. It's specifically designed to bring life back to a wide range of HP DeskJet and PhotoSmart printers, ensuring they operate smoothly and reliably. One of the first things to highlight about this Burflo adapter is its precise compatibility. It's engineered to work seamlessly with original HP part numbers like 9572286, 9572290, and 9572398. This means if you own an HP printer from the 1000, 1050, 2000, 3000, or 3510 series, including models like the 1050A, 2050A, 3050A, 3512, and many others with J-series designations like J110A or J410E, this adapter is likely your perfect match. The key here is the distinctive purple 3-pin connector, which is crucial for ensuring a secure and correct fit with your specific printer model. Before making any purchase, it's always wise to double-check your original adapter's output specifications and tip size to confirm this Burflo unit is the right one for your needs. Powering your printer correctly is paramount, and this Burflo adapter delivers exactly what's required. It takes a standard 10240V input, making it suitable for use in various regions, and provides a stable 30V output at 333mA. This consistent power delivery is vital for the optimal performance of your HP printer, preventing any power-related glitches or interruptions during printing tasks. It's a brand new unit, so you can expect fresh, uncompromised performance right out of the box. Beyond just providing power, Burflo has integrated several essential safety features into this adapter. It comes equipped with multi-protection mechanisms, including overvoltage protection and short-circuit protection. These safeguards are incredibly important, as they help to protect both the adapter itself and, more importantly, your valuable HP printer from potential electrical damage. This gives users peace of mind, knowing their device is powered safely and efficiently. In essence, if you're in need of a replacement or a spare AC adapter for your compatible HP printer, the Burflo 30V 333mA unit presents itself as a highly capable and reliable option. Its specific design for HP printers, coupled with its robust safety features and precise power output, makes it an excellent choice for keeping your printing operations running without a hitch. It's a straightforward solution for a common need, offering dependable performance for a wide array of HP printer models.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.